Hey folks, I made it to Lordsburg, New Mexico. But let me show you what's going on. I was going to continue on to Pierce. It's only 90 miles away, but it's super windy today. Let me show you what's going on. We just got a National Weather Service bulletin. See all that out there? That's old sand, dirt, whatever. And they're talking about not having any visibility here within a few hours. And so everybody is pulling off the highway and trying to find a place to park. I'm up over, let's see if I can find me. I might be blocked off by another trailer. And I'm back over in there. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update. So I'm almost there. Tomorrow morning I'll be back in Pierce and getting the tractor ready to move onto the property. I got to do a few things to it. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on what was going on. I'll give you another picture again of the dirt coming in. It's I know you really can't tell it here, but you can see up in this area. It's getting cloudy, or not cloudy, but sandy, dusty. Yeah, dusty. I guess dusty is the word. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update. All right, we'll see you soon.